All right, y'all. So this is what we're working with first. Okay. Not this room yet. Not this room. Just this one. Okay. So go ahead on. Start the cleaning process and take it from there. Okay, y'all. You ready? It's not completely done yet. It's just the deep cleaning process. Then I'm going to go into light decorating. Not doing heavy decorating, not yet. Okay? So this is the dishes that need to be washed. And booyah. See? Ain't that beautiful? Okay, still have, not this room, not that room. Still, and look. You see the difference? See all back there clean and everything. That's my little cleaning bucket. Just making it livable. So it's going to be a dining room slash kitchen. Just for now until we can get the kitchen completely redone because there's a lot to do in the kitchen. So we're just going to utilize this area as kitchen slash dining room. The table did break on us moving it, but I'm just going to make the most out of this one here. But yeah, you guys, such a big difference, right? All right, you guys, so I am officially done. Okay, so this door has to stay blocked off. And clean that whole area. Clean the floor. There is still some spots left that I cannot get up. Tables is clean. The chairs are clean. And over here, food is cooking right now, but I've organized all the utensils in boxes. This area is clean. Excuse that part. That's my dad's phone. And this stuff has to be washed. So I'm about to put this in a bag so I can clean the floor. Thank God for that bristle. I love that bristle. I gotta give me one of my for myself. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Everything is done. I'm happy how it turned out. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. I am so excited. My stepdad, he likes it. I like it. Excuse my food, honey. They had roast beef on since yesterday. Ready. But I am gonna be putting these in the freezer. Little things that I found while I was cleaning up. But yeah, you guys, that is it. My dad is actually removing this out of here, so that stuff is gonna have to move soon. Put that stuff in the bag. Go get me a bristle, honey. I hope you guys like it, but this is the transformation, so different than it was before. And my dad and his company, they like it. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please book me. I love to clean. Bye. You see that? Beautiful. My dad a little cleaning station to put all his cleaning supplies.